Green jobs have expanded to cover a wide range of work beyond energy infrastructure. They're what some would call invisible green jobs or green adjacent jobs. Green jobs include skilled trades, manufacturing, project management, logistics and sales, and engineering and technical roles. Direct experience is always preferred, but if you know how to sell your transferable skills, for some jobs, the difference may be as simple as where and how those skills are being applied. So scour job descriptions, connect with people in the roles you're interested in, attend industry events, and keep up with current news. The federal government has committed more than $60 billion to clean energy and climate initiatives over the next decade. Pick the right project, and some of it could be going into your pocket. Statistics Canada puts the average hourly wage in the clean energy sector at just under $57 for full-time work. Let's compare that to other industry averages. Not bad, eh? So, what does green work actually look like on a day-to-day basis? Spoiler alert, it's not just hugging trees. Skilled trades are a huge part of the green job boom, and demand is high. But a lot of these roles require extra training beyond a standard apprenticeship. EV charger certification, heat pump installation, solar panel wiring. It's the stuff they don't usually teach right after how not to fall off a ladder. And while standards are still evolving and courses require time and money, the payoff is clear. More credentials, more opportunities, and a resume that shows real foresight. Manufacturing is another big one. Since 2020, Canada's seen over $46 billion invested in EV battery plants and supply chains. Now, most of that money has landed in Ontario, places like Windsor, St. Thomas, and Alliston, where the automotive industry already exists. So, if you've got experience in production, logistics, warehousing, or quality control, this could be your lane. But if you live far away, you may have to relocate. And yes, shift work is often part of the deal. So, helping the planet? Check. Your sleep schedule? Not so much. Then there's green construction, and some of these massive projects are in desperate need of people who can coordinate the chaos. Project managers, site supervisors, logistics coordinators, the people who can keep timelines, budgets, materials, and people from falling apart. A lot of this work is contract-based, which can pay well, but also lacks the long-term stability of more full-time work. And if hands-on work isn't your thing, there's also the corporate side of the green economy. Environmental analysts, sustainability specialists, ESG reporting roles, and not just all of these opportunities apply to just energy companies. These jobs often sit in finance, operations, advisory, or reporting. And they usually want specific credentials, like ESG frameworks, sustainability certifications, or policy knowledge. The catch? There are fewer of these roles compared to trades and manufacturing, so competition can be tougher. But hey, this is Canada. Even our U7 hockey players know how to fight. Let's dive in and explore your way forward in the green job sector. The federal government has dedicated funding to training for green economy roles. The Sustainable Jobs Training Fund allocates money to programs in areas like low-carbon energy, green building, and electric vehicle infrastructure. Training is delivered through colleges, unions, and nonprofit organizations all across Canada. And programs supported by the fund can be searched through the Government of Canada website. It is an incredible resource, but eligibility requirements vary by program. People earlier in their careers or making a larger shift often start with certificate or diploma programs. Some of these are funded through the Sustainable Jobs Training Fund. They're designed to provide job-related skills in a shorter time frame, and some are structured to allow participants to train while working. Time and cost commitments vary. Some programs are fully funded, others are subsidized, and others are out of pocket. Check what's available in your area through community boards, networking platforms, and even the Government of Canada website before committing. Overall, the path into green economy work looks different depending on where you're starting from. Your background, your location, and the type of role you're pursuing all factor in. The resources we've covered can help you figure out what works best for you and your goals. Here's a pro tip. Check the annual reports of major Canadian firms. If a company has a net zero by 2040 target, that isn't just a PR statement. It's a hiring roadmap. They're signaling that they'll be hiring for these skills for the next 15 years. Now, if you're feeling inspired, the Job Bank on the Government of Canada website has a green jobs filter. You can search here by region and see what employers are hiring for right now. And of course, not to brag, but you can always search job postings on Indeed. Good luck, Canuck. And for more career advice, you can search Indeed on YouTube. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more. Which is my camera? Ceiling cam?